That's it. And all we got to do is once we get those set, just grab the shrimp, get the bag open. I got maybe one more mile and a half, and we're gonna be dropping them.
All right.
Tristan, you can go ahead and work on separating these fishing poles.
Yes, sir.
And you see look right here. Move your leg. You see that? You're gonna stick the fishing pole inside there.
Okay.
You're gonna do it on all 4 of them.
Okay.
So just grab the big catfish poles.
This motherfucker off?
Yeah, just be careful. Don't break no eyes. That's that green day board. We got 1 mile before we drop them.
Here.
Just set it in that one, Tristan. Was that all the noodles, or we got more? Grabbing, yeah, you're just like that. That's perfect.
All right.
Grab the next one, stick it over here on the back side. That pole, yeah, is just, we ain't worried about that.